Oyimi roto. E Sharon. When we are gi Sharon waka. Ukamu so lawa gbi. E mani viese. Iyaru so mani ge wanye. Oh God. I can't understand. Uso mani viese wo yin ya oma ahu. Iyaru so mani mo bo mani. With time, they will be exposed. So please share this video and listen to this. What happened between this woman and Masharon? Oh God, I don't want my drink. You can't call me follow up here. Okay, no. Ibizugbe Aka Eddie or is one of Bodos. That madman waiting for Bodos. When the chop shit, anytime police come, want to come deport him. But on this one, I feel no gimme. He get coming because why? Ready me this son, if I may. If you're better going on in him, died or by the very office, what you need, dear boya. The old marking being alarm for a family son, your lady son. Or in one side. Ibizugbe. So loba who does it can we must well la vaccine. Abia who buwele. Who we na eku. Abia who we kamudae. Ewe hin. Ono Ibizugbe ro. You understand? When you shout the APC ye ko ye ku ke. Okonuma the trust the party na e tu ore vie la de yipu. Mu yo wa. On na one side. Now, okay. E win or of Dauphin, a lesbian, lesbobo one of Germany. Okpamiliki one of Germany. When Katamwa were Oruo Akbavioi, a wiki, eminently owing. And the vast value Hanaka will be put away, or can ye book be, or make 27 years. You know, you can know. Understand me now? So, you are a honey Ibizugbe. I want to cut on your book. Why? I know what coin and Piaki Ogodo. Yeah, Ogiwe. Awesome. Ogiwe now, this Ogiwe one of Italy. Yogisiloi. Okpamiliki one of Italy. Whatever can I Ogisiloi? I have my Ogisiloi. Aquario or Kadokadi halfway. If you don't call when I'm your casting the Gunica boning. Yes, Tom. Nobody got down your bun.
I want a lot of people to come on, like, I want to talk about it. We never wanted to talk about it, but now is the time to talk about it. They've organized WhatsApp group for Sharon OKPAMEN. They said they want to take Sharon OKPAMEN home. Sharon OKPAMEN have 2 children here. Oh, we are not that big. Oh, we are not young, which is 2 years plus. A bad new. We don't hear them. I beg. Mama,
when I share this video, when I listen to
because of one hotel 60,000 euro no asaji. I never wanted to come for the mom, but she has pushed me to come for her. Please share this video. Share this video. They don't do a WhatsApp group now. They share money. They gather money when they want to carry Sharon go ask. Oh yeah, how do you want to take someone home? They don't want to pay him. I don't know. We can't be aware. Well, I will go. And we have to speak out. We have to speak out. Oh, where Sharon? They don't carry mad. They enter Sharon house. What is Sharon would never ever take. I just hear the call now. I called the family. They said I called the brother, which is yes. They don't see on WhatsApp group. Jennifer.
video now very important. What are we all?
Nigeria, 60,000 euro answer. Wakumwa, Yawatia only a more Ariowa, a Sharon Nito, one and no anywhere, a Sharon, only let's see a Yawa. No, I would see a Guadalupe. Or send my work by one. She was a vibrant young girl. There isn't a good of your one, if we know what one in a one and a West Sharon. If we know what West Sharon, one loud will go. Who go fit up making the comments? Here got a groupie. Near Yanigo, I am with Sharon Arioba. One on one carry and grass. If you have a very mana, if you have a very penoya, the Lishin Arioba, I went the Sharon Kualo, name the Sharon Kualo. Medicine take time. I don't enjoy the medicine take time. Medicine take time. Medicine take time. Medicine take time. Medicine at the good time and medicine take time. I go out by man. I go out by man. And my son, oh, we know who I come where you are. Who I come where you are was here. I was here, man.
All right. Yes, my people, I greet you all with better star watch right there. I must greet every one of you watching this video, watching this beautiful broadcast this evening. Please share this video. Let everybody sit down here and listen very careful. You understand? Listen and listen very careful. And if possible, when I attack this family, join this broadcast, especially OKPAMEN family, the family of Sharon. When I attack them, join this broadcast. It is very important. You understand what I'm saying? You see all this Okbo military and they making noise TikTok. They can only go to TikTok and become a nuisance. You understand? First, this same woman who is talking now, this woman on my screen you are seeing, was with Mama Sharon yesterday. She was in Mama Sharon's house. She bought some food items, some gift items to give to Mama Sharon. Household enemies, just to go there and pick some information to bring out on TikTok to start humiliating the family. Now listen, if you want to do a burial, anybody that passed on, the corpse goes to the family. The corpse belongs to the family, not to the friends or to the friends of well-wishers. It belongs to the family according to custom and tradition. So any of you guys call yourself a friends to Sharon, keep your ass short. Onisuwa was here total about Sharon issue. You understand? If you someone love Sharon, support her to make Sharon, support the decision of the family. None of you guys have rights. I repeat, right, no matter how close you are to Sharon, you don't have rights over the corpse. Listen and listen very careful. No matter how closer you are to Sharon, even though you be PA, you be personal person, as far it has gone to rest, you don't have rights over the corpse. Your decision is not count on what happens to Sharon corpse as traditions demand. Even if you still go meet government when the mother and the brother is still alive, none of you guys call yourself friends have rights over the corpse. As soon I don't understand this. I think we are gonna meet up. If we are gonna blow, OKPAMEN military will not blow when they constitute users for TikTok, for Facebook. Oyini ogwa nwa yo muyere di yere bu wanyalagbon. Oyini ogwa imanu wa soji imanu wa hundaro bi yeba. Oti wawu eju wawu egbu wawu oti wawu ebu ose nwa so demie. Ose na so demie will not be the one dictating for the family on how to bury their own corpse. Now social media with the sian wahala. This idiot, he got Mama Sharon house yesterday. Mama Sharon tell this woman, say they want to carry their daughter, our daughter, go back home to go bury for home. And that's their decision. This girl said no. Why they go carry and go house? They explained to her and she accepted it. Now, you all know, say, Mama Sharon gets boyfriend. I mean, my friend. The same my friend, when I drag the ex-wife, the ex-baby mama, come out for this TikTok and this Facebook, come saga that woman. The lawyer wife, the lawyer by mama, where I can't come out. Now, this man lives in Switzerland. Now, there for the work. His stepdaughter, the man have to take holiday for where for the work to come see him babe. My people, as we speak right now, wherever they do something, woman will get my friend. As in picking that, who's supposed to consult that woman? Not be the my friend. Not be the my friend supposed to consult the woman. Okay, as the my friend come, you go lodge for a hotel. Person will take flight from Swiss, come see in woman where he lost his daughter, the only daughter we get. So as he come, you go lodge for hotel. You come call the woman, say, I tell hotel, come see me. And they ask my question. I don't understand some of you now opinion. So the man come the house. This man now come this woman house to come see the woman, to come console the woman, consolate visit to the woman. Immediately, this same so-called friends of Sharon's carry phone. They begin to record each other. Say, man, Sharon don't carry my house, come sleep. The next thing what they go do, they call Sharon elder brother. That one come, they fight the man. That one make sure say he chased down my house that night, which is that yesterday night. I don't understand now. If you do, I know that. See some of the things the one that they reason nowadays. I can't wonder say what people are interest for Sharon Corps. Sharon Corps by the grace of God must go Nigeria because why? It get why. Una no one may go us. Because if Sharon Corps reach us, many of them go die. If Sharon Corps reach Nigeria, many of them go una know. Because why? If they want to bury that girl, a lot of things go follow on. They go bury a lot of things follow on. That is the reason why you evil friends are kicking against the court, not to go bongo. No one tell me what they cry. All of them you see here, so they have documents. 85% of Sharon friends are documented in abroad, but they fear. Make the cops not go Nigeria, because if you go Nigeria, everything has to it's time why I said it yesterday. Any of you guys who have a hand in Sharon's death, you better start confessing now. As the rap of done. Or Galakbani. When I hear Coco Bono Casse talk Harakwa. When I hear Coco Bono Casse talking Harakwa. Cause no we seek a Sharon. No more Sharon Ariowa. My guy, when I Coco Bono Casse talk Harakwa. Now let's come to the burial arrangements. Let's come to the way one of the talk can be fast. Mamurish. To bury her for abroad. Okay. Una said they bury her for abroad. The children go to give her flower. Hello? You think say now beans they say they bury person for abroad? You know how much it take to buy a portion of plot of grave where you want to bury that girl put? That girl is not under asylum. That girl not under government. But the talk na government will take over the property. Now government will do the needful. This girl now get in Qatar sojourner. It did on her own. She have a house here. Come. Oswald by Kota was Onuma for her brother, the better person for his house. He buy house. Now upstairs they want to go bury her put. And they ask you now. Am I way? No worry. Am I way? No worry. Now, if you bury Sharon for here, you go bury a plot of grave. At least like 10 years. Maximum 10 years. As you go pay rich, if you get money, you pay like 10 years for that place. That 10 years when you go pay, so the children go to see them. Imagine the children, the people without born and never reach how many months for that people go reach 10 years. Automatically after 10 years, that grace don't be your own again. You go there, you don't go see the another person, they don't put that person for that space. They don't replace that grave from that person. If you want them permanent, you go they pay continuously every month. it go be like house where you rent. If you don't know, that's why they go for this abroad. If to say they leave person for cemetery for abroad forever, all those people who don't create this country, you forgot see their grave there. If it be history, you forgot see their grave for that cemetery. You understand? Because you don't get sense. But for Benin, if na a house you bury him, if na build house for outside, if na pass na your palo they bury and put, it will forever be there. Forever, it go be there. Now it's in eternity. That place will be honored and will be respected. So when I go just decide, say, now when I go decide for the people where get coffee, how they want to do their dead body. And now I do normal. And now you know. It be again my blow. I shall not blow. Don't know where you want to walk when I appear here go the night. Don't be on your way your wife is stand walk what go and say. When I appear here go do. After many years of I feel well. I'm a boy at bebo. Go not go, come not come. Paddy, I party in a bio. They care for the whole Europe. I go what we see. Isaga no bobozi o go no go na ruwe no go you dey want the woman I can for here and ala me can for here wonya mo wa be go give you wahala anyone je imegi no we sister no gbegbe nwa me kai wonya mo wo bi Sharon Sharon you wenu o we gbe ni we bere ye we bo o we gbe Sharon bere ye we pa no sunwu no we Sharon to bu akpo no we Sharon ti wo ma Sharon ma blow o te wo na e bensi oh make no way o we be wa mo sister we be no gusi a edi we be bere ni me bere awe wu awu ya bewu we wu no wusi we bia no wusi mo ai asha wanna my blow you will not get dead body una will not get dead body now I want decide for family how they want to get dead body. I just tired. Which kind human being be all this one? All we need to do is to listen to the family decision and stand by their decision to give a friend a befitting burial. To listen to the decision of the family and give a friend a befitting burial. Sharon not be small pikin meat. If you never know, make you know now. If all the follow they crawl, when he never die, una see us una all gang. Oh yeah, mama, she don't really turn to oyin oge bene. Elie ba ebieka na filupeyi. Do my hand, no hand now. Elie ba ebieka na filupeyi. Bangbe for that matter. Do you understand? It may not concern what concern on here. Okay, when in religion now, let's assume where Okoniri era figure. Men we na Roma, Ikero marry, we no console okane. Then if you where no, I don't want to see you here. I don't want to see you. Eri gwere yaro. Iya swan le leg bina. Nipa yo wanare. Na hana abo se na wet yo uhani. Ba ohoya uhani ko. They want to turn the son against the mother. Even also o aeroga ge ba yu wanure. O wa asu. Oria wa hiamie. Aeroga ge bi no me yu wanure. O wona wo here. Or wo here. Or we balo. Or we bawa right now. No o here we bawa. O wa naje onu wa gbedine. Oh, o wa le gbi jele orie. No, o wa ge because we have rejected for what is our. We have rejected us or if me here you are or they okay because all I'm going to tell me not go here. Tell I'm going to tell me not go here. One now no why social media be here one. No one want better here. No suwa. Then you want to make us suwa here. On in Bobolo. Emika wet banuwa. Is the truth? On in Bobolo. Etiendo wek banuwa, bonje bogo se wek banuwa, to wa asungu. Sharon OKPAMEN ya ti wa mo me ko ye ni o ti wa mo ye o ti wa mo afan o ti wa mo aye be ni wona wa de gbe o ye azo se de la zuwa wo se abaga o ma go se de o ga wa hun o ma go se ni ko wa hun wa no go na ko you wa je error yo mi me you wa no re error ya yo mi you wa no re where if you for no wa poko o ya mu he mu gipia lo pe ago we de gbe o pe adun ka you wo iye Sharon go baba since then Zemi na gelewe mi do wa ya zen. Be na gelewe mi. Be no go na obi e pa ari agwana. Is it not your duty as a friend, if you genuinely love Sharon, to stay in that house with this woman, be helping this woman to take care of those children, consoling this woman? Okay, can wa agu ye Sharon ro tin nothing e Sharon so wa agu e console money, wa agu e zi agbon. When I am here with ya de your igbede henede. That should be you people plans towards Sharon's mother. What they are born? What they are born? Any man assume that way. One or see where, one or way. He can't. You know what the Sharon yet resurrects to come see the kind of friends she have. She has mingled with. No dog I was see. Ni yeti or see. Oh, so no papa you know easy. O salobwa wona we wa agwe hospital no wa pokopoko na pie ki ogodo igo corona asa wona ma blue e obu ibe no se de yo ma bie iya we momo no wa gun agba egbe bako me we aja jije egbe ya mu awo ye momo sister ya mu awo ye momo nu gbe amu e opo miliki ye yori hin ari do de mana do Amami adawe, you will go say Sharon buy her 60,000 euro. Oh where careful where sister, careful where no get where I'm. Can I want to give myself? Careful where they where I'm. Only what you now, or my way to your was warrior, because I was walking where you are. Oh, when your dog, we are no zoo, we are by you, oh, do your, oh, Nyasham will, I will not move forward. You are your way, no way in an ile. Eki ogo de mu yuwa. E wa gbe pia your head de gbe wa gbe pon yi na ye tan wonderful. I believe. See your life. Wada agwa. I was see ni uga. Evil friend. Useless friend. E we no zuwa no ma ni wa ya si ai. E mamu no wa ye ko. We ma ogun aye no iko so na go Sharon. O ma we gun yo. O wa be back up no gbe san dan peka o ha do gun gogun ase ikata mu wane ipe auto ikwe bo gejo gbe trader wenu gwa ya mu dia wana onu wa si ye koto o ye da ye gbe yi asora si wa digin asora si wa koto wa asun e Sharon na tuwa mo yi e Sharon ya tuwa mo yi weni tare o yan yi won Sharon to buwa when we are nice, oh, yeah, more, a great marry or in short, yeah, where I'm going to the master, you say, a Sharon more, a massaga, more by another saga, or you're not going to say, and no more, anyone didn't. Oh, I soon will have catch a call. Oh, why have you about? I was a down. Oh. Aseriwo phone o meriwe ose o ko be ni lori agbere se meriwe yiyan wa awose ose ni oga no le Sharon here. I want those alopo I teach change gogo ni Sharon wake up make you come see the animals we you call friends. No do give me who why. Hello? What talk bell? Ni mo speaker. Okay, go ahead, talk to me. I'll say way. No, I will not pick you over now. You know, I ask where the yard bag be, and money me. That was where money me. Utakamu waiva. Est-ce que tu as bien de quoi jama? Mais Jenny, il met intro na introduction. Oh God. I speaker astro you make on the introduction. I astro like this. I am more like Besanza. Wonderful. Oh, why are you know? Honey. I said down on the Sharon OKPAMEN down. Alright. Okay, I take it easy. He's a low boy. Oh, yeah, woman. Yeah, the beer. A woman, I will be at the no way. Oh, yeah, we are the Denmark. Yeah, beg, now. Yeah, it's a boy. If you like that, will not block no key. Oh, man, he's a low boy, that. If you don't know, she might be at the party. Oh, my honey. Your name. You take it easy. What? Nare. Sister, I'm already talking. If you laugh, you go up on you. If you laugh. Lare, no soon. We, will laugh to social media. We know una we salo bon la onegi minere no hagbo. Una we salo kwa age winere gbere imunere o hagbo. Imunere no hagbo. O hagbo nya. Imunere nya o sefa yo gbere. Imunere no o sia de bi ekiri gbere. What did I go? I'm on wait here party, my personal person. Or who okin we saga. Or who okin we saga. Okin we saga is social media. Oh no ma gana ma bi na no wa gbegbe agelera leri. Ni aye ka shift e wu mu ge bigo. Espame ga ila ogu he o ga tuwe kwaye tilapia block ni na. Na hanana tilapia tubo ko na o block ni. Espame hiroshi say it's not passing through. It's pass through. No salo abagbon. Na sawo gbo egbiju e don't wish well like no wo na wa bisu wa. If I bola isu egbe it don't know if you know and you know soon with the Europa. You guys say, go to talk to Sophia. A Facebook now. Oh, Baba. Your boy. Who your boy in a car? Oh, no, what's a mede? What call it? Where? Oh, yeah, correct. I swear, don't you? Oh, Zagabon. Ajalo, Ogbegbe. What beg, what giaga, I shall walk with a manera vijana mu ade bodo gbigbi aga isu amu we ade bodo gbasa wa pe ni madam obele gospel money asi wele pata pe kusu we nege anu yo to epo o pe fe ke ya ti vaya oh he no sit tight we no come we no kaputu wa kaputu oh ya si kam oh dazi oh da me gbe ya ti o ma we ye wo awo awo ai wa fi o to gba oba meji awo na sa yo pa mi no atene kwa kweki ayo awi ahon we you enjoy me ali joworo na akedi ya dey we iyogo afiyo ara we ife ba theology uhefo o ma no se no na ti bie o enya yo to nya anya poto anya wele agba no o no ma ri wa e yo na pe de mata gbe mo are go o no ma pe o ma na bala so yin we yo do we mabwa Israel amu ene madam mo adia webo who man apel you here because your destiny is already tied down. You are a condemned element. Omo no wa do work. Omo no ma wa resource. Look at your life today. You remember when I hear lodi omo ra di darti omo to no gban omo ale o da be sadi po uzua to we gwa here no wanna pretend it until you guys will come out and confess. I will ban the social media now. Oh, what else? Mota. To assume. Abu enege. Abe nekwemu. Abashi. Ye kokobiri ye gambia be broku. Nya sale kai. Uhe ton yo. Ayiwo. Oton balo. Abia jawagbon. Nonsensical buhaha. Very anyhow people. Obama Ajowa, you are not. Just to gather evidence to come and beat the woman on Facebook? How demonic you are. How dare you? You call yourself a friend to Sharon. You go to Sharon's house to see the mother yesterday. Ask the mother about the preparation of how to take the guest home. The next thing you could do is to come to social media and start insulting the woman. You are a useless friend. The same you. The same these idiot people. Now them still carry for call Eddie Murphy. Lie against Mama Sharon for Eddie Murphy. Pretend to be the other baby mama of the man. Just to saga Mama Sharon. Just for Eddie Murphy to saga Mama Sharon. I was say down. Who are soon? I was say no. Oh, I you want be going. Oh, I go. Epa must to one after the other. Marima. Guys, if you don't know, social media nowadays, not for oppression, no. Not before oppression, no, especially when person back for ground. Do what Sharon while in Wakau before, you know what Guna you give her the most even respect. As a friend, you have Sharon videos on your TikTok. While Sharon will rap, una do this, una they play, una they run things together. Now you forget all those good times. You have with Sharon, you have the guts to be insulting the mother. Do what you have you panic with the God give you the right. Do you know you are talking to the entire beings? Do what you that was then. You see, as far as this social media is concerned now, anything that has to do with Sharon should be respected by any of the mother bloody fucking friends. While I misbehave, I will scratch your ass. While I'm not going for. You don't think so? What beg you are going? Where? No, me right over someone's death. Are you crazy? Who be you? See, this one is a very peaceful advice to Mama Sharon. Anything that concerns this girl, what this girl bring on your house, if not food or anything, return and go give her. Send person or post if you get the address back to this woman. She can be poisonous. I'm suspecting her. She can poison you, this woman. As far as or you know what I? Or you when it was there with you yesterday. You are. If I will be you now, well, no mere anything not concerned about your man, reject it back and pack your children, your grandchildren to yourself, and start taking proper responsibility of them. Because these friends you see here, they are evil. I don't trust any of them anymore. Yes, you must be very, very careful of all these unfriendly friends of Sharon. Their mission is not yet completed. Their mission is not yet completed. Go and mark these words. I was saying, no, what say Sharon? This is an advice to Mama Sharon. What share video here? What tagging her by? Epa Eddie, Sharon. What tagging her by video? Okay, they want to manipulate the boy. OKPAMEN. They want to manipulate that boy against the mother. You see that? Or more clear, not by now you're supposed to be your mother handbag. You're supposed to be your mother's handbag. But then boom. They are trying all these women, no matter your word or yana, abu enege, abashi, abe potok bekus, abashi wele, abe negbok bere, u negbok bere. They want to see how they can manipulate that boy against the mother. Because a boy in here, a boyfriend in here home. Boyfriend in here travel to 2 years will be a figure. Oh, it's a way, you guys listen to her. She knew the person that came in. The next video she did, she brought the man pictures out. She started sagaring the man. Oswan sagai man in it. Oswan sagai man in it. Go give away now. Nego bene uno yimi kisi osana. Oswan sagai man in it. Yandwa yanwe. We lads TikTok them with picture money lads. What did the money for going to see his lady friend? Where we kia? Agami sosok bekus. Where we kia? Uwe nege. Where we kia? Uwe we lalo. Na bekus to bekus that you be. Bekus to bekus so we here. Where we here? Where we here? No na when yes I don't here. That I me here yes I ya dey okay period na. I want 200 in. Salo go so for dey okay. So na me ya we no gbo bi where we here? In no water. In no water we na ge nekwem nsu no we sha no to gbo agbo. Ati amu ye kari yakra. Ou vient, ou t'as voulu que Sharon, ou vient faire ou va, ou est copiri, ou est rapport, ou lui ou on fait bien, ou eh, alors c'est là. Hello, this bitch is like our talk man. Off with me.
In your body, who better seven eh? What we are not or since another musicians, another musicians. I'm not where you are. Oh, not way back. That's how I'm going to do. Is there now? We did it again that 5 years ago. It can't begin out of Vanne. Or not Oviego, not marry Ghana. Again, I will get you what on me. Again, look again on the when will they get now? We take a mafia on the channel.
Yes. Yes.
This girl, he's not Colombian. This is not the Sharon friend, though. Manipulate Sharon brother. We're supposed to stay with him, mama. Yeah, no. Always Sharon, okay, we can do Sharon house now. We call the top. Sharon buy 50,000 euro.
Yeah.
You know,
jealousy. Igbovu.
Better for cemetery, yeah, to let die.
Yes. Share this video. Or what share video now? God bless you. God bless you. Wait, family. You know understand? Yes, man. Okay. What? Agree to me.
What's the name of the hotel? The minister of the right I bet you know use the phone.
Oh, you're not one with Bobby say as an mission. Who take care of Ekia ya Gaikia. Ujima.
No way I will call you. That 5 years ago, in a year ago, social media. I want to you know when you were not here.
Oma really bellet Oboada this time around. Oboada. Me depa e pichi ju ya do mulatin. E pichi ju gbe mi amulatin.
This is there.
You know they go go Rning.
I beg you, money because you know, not talk about me now.
Cosmas Nasha. Boa wada. What's it? Oh, so we carry sinye yekiane, yeke kokobiri buwele. Kokobiri eni ekin wa mi yan na ekisin. Yan izinye yo aziwo. Wo loyi, oy nyawa anyapoto. Wa gbiaga wa gbon. Egbon wa. Agawu egbon wa awu yagbe. Egbon wa na awu yagbe. Egbon wa oma. Eosi oma. Eosi bi oma. Oh we better no one. Egbon wa we oma. Egbon ya give a date. Egbon ya tell ya wo yin. Ovie shall hire. The mother will not decide. E kina amo ye eji. Ewe. We regbe. O ma gbon we kian.